The rise of Alex. Alex lived in a small village. His family was poor. They had a small house, and sometimes they didn't have enough food. Alex's clothes were old, and his shoes had holes. At school, his friends, Mark and David, had everything. They had new clothes, expensive toys, and lots of money. They often laughed at Alex because he was poor. "Look at Alex's shoes," Mark would shout. David would join in. "He's so poor." Alex felt sad and angry. He wanted to be rich, not just for the things, but to show them he was just as good as they were. One day Alex saw a group of men working on a new road. They were earning money. Alex decided he would work too. He found a job helping the men carry stones. The work was hard, and his hands were sore, but he earned some money. He saved every penny. After school, he found small jobs. He cleaned cars, delivered newspapers, and helped farmers with their work. He always worked hard and never complained. He knew that money was the key to a better life. His friends didn't understand his dedication. They spent their time playing games and wasting their parents' money. Alex saved his money carefully. He didn't buy expensive things. He dreamt of a bigger future. He knew he needed education. So he used his savings to buy used textbooks and studied hard at night. He excelled in his math and science classes. His teachers saw his potential and encouraged him. He learned about computers and technology. He spent hours at the library, reading about software and programming. He taught himself how to code. It was difficult, but Alex was patient and persistent. He knew that if he worked hard enough, he could achieve anything. One day, Alex had an idea. He would create a new software program to help businesses manage their accounts. He worked day and night, coding and testing. He perfected his program, making it easy to use and efficient. He showed his program to some small businesses in his village. They loved it. He got his first customers. His business slowly started to grow. He hired some friends to help him. Word spread about his amazing software. Bigger companies started to use his program. Alex's company grew bigger and bigger. He opened a new office. He hired more people. His company became the biggest software company in the country. He was very successful. He had a big house and nice cars, but those things were not the most important things to him. One day, Alex saw Mark and David in the city. They looked surprised to see him. They were struggling. Mark was working as a waiter and David was unemployed. They were ashamed of how they treated him in the past. Alex approached them. He wasn't angry. He simply smiled. "Hello, Mark. Hello, David," he said. He offered them jobs at his company. "I'm sorry for how we treated you," Mark said, his voice low. David nodded in agreement. Alex smiled again. "It's okay," he said. "The past is the past. What matters is the future. I'm glad to give you a chance." Alex gave them both good jobs. They learned from his success. They learned the value of hard work and perseverance. Alex showed them that it wasn't about money or fancy things. It was about having a goal, working hard, and never giving up on your dreams, even when others doubt you. He proved that with hard work and dedication, even a poor boy from a small village could become one of the most successful people in the country. He proved that kindness and forgiveness were just as important as success. He built not just a company, but a legacy. His story inspired many others to follow their dreams, no matter how difficult the path might seem. Alex's journey showed everyone that even facing hardship and ridicule, the power of hard work and belief in oneself could conquer all.